everyone, we're here in Baguio.
Yeah.
Oh wait. It's so high up here. It's so high.
So what's the weather?
It's look at our outfits. Look at our attire. Everyone is wearing a sweatshirt.
So, what's the temperature right now?
I think it's like 17 Celsius, which is 70 degrees.
Where are we right now?
This is cold to them.
Really?
This is cold to them. This weather is cold to them.
One look, the view. Nice.
One look to Baguio. Welcome to Baguio. Baguio. Are you happy to be here? Hindi picture, video. Happy ka?
I'm happy because you're happy too. So that's why I'm very, very, very happy.
Thank you. Wait, are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah. We're here at Jollibee. Again. This guy's no fun.
Uy.
I'm sorry.
What are we ordering?
Chicken bucket with rice and I want to drink. Kala! Tagal niya na dito ah. There's a lady right outside watching all of this.
Dalawa.
I just finished eating.
Malaki. Hindi kasi ang grabe sa report. Naluluto na yan. Mag-cook na lang tayo. Kasama yun na sila.
We're here in Baguio Botanical Gardens.
Yeah.
Go, search, go around. Go
Dun, dun,
around.
dun, 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 dun.
Whoa, this is awesome, guys. Whoa, this is the first time I'm filming. Like, not even. Wait, why was it 0.5? Let's go. Oh. So, may na mag-vlog. You're getting canceled. Yan.
Morning, imbag na bigat. Sayuti yun ah. Our way to Las Trinidad. Nice. Punta kami sa
Do you want it 0.5?
makikita talaga sa Baguio. It's really elevated. Laki din sa
I'm confused on how they built a whole city.
sa taas. Pag pupunta ka sa kanilang probinsya.
Yeah. So we'll update you in the strawberry festival.
Ito is Hinagan natin kung ano nga? Bill charge.
We're here in the strawberry farm.
Like a strawberry.
Got the strawberry fit today. Uy.
Oh, I forgot that we were filming. Magpapilm pa tayo.
Yeah. Yo, ciao.
anything in this world.
Ginagawan
Mupit muna tayo.
Ginapicture ako kayo dalawa ni Kuya. Sige mo pwede tikman na lang na isa.
Kasi pag pinatikim po kita, kailangan lahat na kayo. Kaya hindi pwede. Kung papayag kayo na isa lang ang titikim, kailangan.
Ikaw natin o ba, tikman ko na siya na lang.
Basta ang tikman mo yung red na red mo para sure na sweet siya.
Dito ka sa kabila dito. Dito na rin. Dito ko sa kabila.
Kaya ito, ang dami.
Tag-ipang batch tayo, tag-ano tayo, huwag ka na dyan, dito tayo.
Oh, gusto mo pick? Ikaw mo pick.
Bilis na. Pasok. Pagkatalawa sila lahat, para tayo partner.
Okay lang, sige.
Horizontal.
Ay, sorry. Kasi pangit
Yo,
may grills pag ulit lipit.
look how big the strawberry is. Diba?
Laki.
And the big goal.
Mina, pupula guys.
Wow, it feels like yung TV show.
Forevermore, yeah. Lisa Soberano, ayun na.
Strawberry.
Ito yung amin na pita.
Sige,
Yun pa. Ano ka tate? Ang sobra na dyan?
Ada.
Manda.
Huwag ka munang magalit. Ako sana'y pakinggan. Hindi ko balakang ika'y saktan. Hindi ikaw ang problema. Wala akong iba.
Ay, diyan ka lalabas.
Dinala, sarili ay
Uy!
Gigi, Gigi, Gigi.
Nakita ba niyan? Na yun?
Midnight, you don't pick me up, no headlights. I heard, that you've been out and about with some other girl.
At ako ang iyong hari. Ako yung prinsesa. Come on!
Mo palagi,
Ngunit ngayon mayari na.
they move feeling back then. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real.
Nakatingin sa salamin. Lagi sana. Go, go!
Sanang limutin
Yan o.
ang mga araw na hindi sana maglaho. Iniwan mo ko, kaya ngayon ibuhos na ang bawat bata. Anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang di na to ang pag-ibig mo. Il Ramadan!
Shut up, Joey!
Uminom sila ng 4 na gabi.
Malunod na ang puso ko, nahihirapan.
Harvesting Calamansi Part 2. Where are you? I'm speaking.
Ang ganda ng view eh.
Ang tagal niya. Aw. Hanapin ko.
Because of who I am, not because of what you do. Who am I? That the Lord of all the earth, who carried on my name, said,
I'm dreaming about you and me.
like a sunrise, like a rainbow top.
Magkano po benta? Magkano po benta?
And one
Magkano? Magkano?
for you I look at
Doon na lang. Doon yan. $10 daw isang paa.
speed.
Hello mga ano kasi yun? Nasa Facebook? Ay, TikTok.
Say you got to more.